Hey guys, Grayson X9. Oh, hey guys, Creepy Grayson 23, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Roblox, and I'm going to be playing MM2, which is Murder Mystery 2. I haven't been playing for a while because I've been busy doing, well, stuff that you guys don't like, apparently. What you guys say all the time. But, yeah, we're just gonna play it today. Alright, let's get started. Ah. Oh yeah, and I did put a new intro last night. Alright, and we are joined. Before I do anything, let me see what's going on with this. Let's see, what is he playing? What is he playing? Streets. Alright, I don't like the streets, by the way. I like this game. I could play Jailbreak, Doomspy Brick Battle, Daycare Center. Oh, and by the way, I've changed a little bit, so this is what I look like. I may just go back to the other costume, but I don't think I will. Alex, wait, what? Give me a second. Oh my goodness. Alright, guys, good news. They finally put the trading back to place right to its position again. So now we can start trading again. Alright, so let's see what this guy has. Oh, man. And we now see the sheriff. Stay away from me, spider lady. Oh. Somebody looks like the such. What was that? Go Oh! It was Sad Boy, that thing that did that. Let's take a look, truly. Sad Boy. Let's see what Sad Boy has. Alright, I'll be right back, okay, guys? I'll let you guys watch the spectate. Alright, never mind then. If you guys want to look at my inventory, by the way, this is what all the stuff I have. All of these parts. I got this, that, earth, I don't know what he has, so I, of course, will not trade with. I guess I will. Give him 2 presents and a coal. And Alex, I do not need that. No, I'm not going to trade. They really think I'm going to give it Let me do some mischief. Alright, so let's take a look. You'll see. Oh, sorry, by the way, if you were wondering what language I was speaking of Spanish. Alright, anyway. Oh. Ow! My cord's stuck. Okay. Whew. Sorry that may have been a little notice. right there. And who killed me? It's that same dude again. Oh. Oops, I don't want to trade with him. Where is this you call sheriff? Ah, you cheater. Get out of there. Go. Wow, you little sissies. Super Cat. I didn't. Your phone wasn't even connected. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Somebody's good. Who will beat, though? Get the weapon. Uh-oh. Turn the volume down for a little bit, please. Ma, can you turn the volume down? Just, just. Alright, let me turn the volume up. Alright. Okay, I am not putting it that loud. Alright, let's just keep going. Oh dear. Oh, that was close to murder. Oh. Ay! Scared the heck out of me. I'll let you guys, well, see how many people are left. I'll let you guys look at who he's killing. All you guys view his cam. Oh. I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, here we go. Ah! Let's. Okay, I thought she died. Whew. Ow. And how good is this guy? Look, he's been sheriff for the 3rd time. Dude, you should know it's not us. Good pizza. Oh! I just not noticed that he appeared, apparently. And ow. This guy does not look like Sonic whatsoever. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the murderer. The Capitals rule. Capital rules. Shoot him! And the game ends here. I have about like 30 seconds left. Uh-oh. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna wrap everything up around here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. And I will see you next time. Bye!